Alright, today we're going to make the photograph frame. You're going to need 2 rectangles, 3 by 4 inches. You're also going to need a different piece for the stand. So for the stand, it's 1 inch by 2 3/4. So 2 3/4. 1 inch. Okay. So we're going to fold it back at 1/4 of an inch. There's the stand, and they have it tapered. I'm just gonna, oops. I almost cut the wrong way. I'm going to taper it a bit. Now for the back, I'm just going to measure in 1/4 of an inch. Draw lines. And you're going to cut the corners. And you're going to round the bottom. Just going to eyeball it. And for this one, we're going to fold it in half. In half. Alright, now we're going to chop off a little bit of these 2 squares here, these 2 squares here, these 2 squares here, and these squares is where your picture will go. So now we're going to cut this. Going to cut this out, this, and this. There is your picture frame. So now you're going to put glue on this, and then you fold in the flaps on this. That way you can slide your picture in right here, and you're just gonna glue that on. And then your stand, you want to make sure that it can, so you're just going to put it a little bit lower than the center. I'm going to add some tape to this too. And there we go. Here's our picture frame.